Welcome to Splendid Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you a salad that has beets, arugula, romaine lettuce, and a special vinegarette that will go together with the Valentine's meal that we have previously prepared. We're going to start with some washed romaine lettuce that was thinly sliced, some arugula, and some roasted beets that I have cut into squares. For the vinaigrette, I'm going to start with a teaspoon of the Dijon grained mustard, a teaspoon of honey, a little bit of lemon juice that will brighten things together. Just a little squeeze because the acid in the salad is going to be mostly from the rice vinegar that I'm going to be using. So we put about two tablespoons of rice vinegar into that. Some salt. Not too much salt because the Dijon mustard is already having some, so just a bit, and then we will try to emulsify everything, adding steady stream of olive oil, which is going to be about 3 tablespoons worth. And this vinaigrette, if you have some leftover, you can just put it in a jar and put it in the fridge, and it can be used for any other salad. So I'm going to just beat it together. And just try to see. It's perfect. It's really good. And now into this salad, I just want to show you that I also add green onions, and a really nice trick to slice the green onions is kitchen shears that you can just slice the clean washed green onions, so you put it on top. I also have some roasted almonds, whole almonds that I crushed, and that's going to be topped on top of the salad, and some crumbled gorgonzola cheese. So now, since I have everything ready, I will just drizzle the vinaigrette on top. Make sure that you drizzle your vinaigrette just before you are ready to eat, because it can wilt the greens of the salad at times. So this is enough. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix everything just to make sure that everything is evenly coated. And at this point, I try to put the beets on top because they are red and they go with a Valentine's celebration. I just put the almonds and the gorgonzola on top, and just after you put it on the table and you want to eat, you mix it again to make sure everybody gets a little bit of everything. Enjoy, and happy Valentine's again.